Hey, what's up guys? Just thought I'd throw up another quick video, talk about some camshafts I bought recently. Now if you're like me, over the winter you try and do a little bit of a future project planning or bargain hunting, depending if the house didn't drain you too dry. Anyways, what I got here is a couple hydraulic roller camshafts. First is a Howard's cam. Now, there's the part number if you're interested. I got this cam more around the new year, and I want to say it costs about $280, $300 new, and I picked it up for just around $260 shipped. So I saved a few bucks, not too much, but a little over normal pricing. But penny saved is penny earned. I'm sorry. Anyways, the plan for this Howard's cam was to put it in that Vortec crane engine. But, you see how that thing's going. It's like, I'm actually now rethinking the plan, and I'm thinking, I got this nice 355 short block unassembled that's, aftermarket rotating assembly balanced, not forged or nothing good, but still better than stock. And I'm thinking, well, those aluminum heads, this camshaft might make a nice little engine. So, and it'll be a better use of the parts. So, of course, things can always change by the time I actually get to the build, so we'll see. Anyways, the other cam I got was this Elgin cam. Now, there's quite a story about this behind this cam. As you can see, the box is pretty beat up, and the reason is it's technically a used cam. I bought it from Amazon warehouse, and it was listed for about $100, and I got it for even cheaper because they also had a deal going on where if I sign up for a credit card, I get like $60 off. So I was like, well, $40 cam, why not? So I bought it, they shipped it, it got lost. I called them up, I'm like, hey, where's my cam? They're like, well, it's lost, we'll refund you. I'm like, no, I want the cam, I'll wait and see if it turns up. And so a few weeks later, I get an email saying, hey, the cam turned up, they sent it back, here's your money. I'm like, no. So I had to quickly check the site. Sure enough, they relisted it, and they actually relisted it for less. So I bought it again for, was it 32-ish, so basically $30. $30 shipped. Newish cam. I would say brand new, but it's listed as used. But you open it up, other than the box and all that crap, the cam looks good. I checked with the straight edge, it's not bent. The bearing surfaces look like they have a little bit of wear marks from just maybe spinning in the box. It's not, nicely packaged with this. In this cam in here, it's, I don't want to open it up right now because there's a bunch of junk in here. But the cam inside here is, looks like it's well lubed, and it's wrapped in, vacuum wrapped in plastic or whatever. So it's, much better packaged. Plus you get this nice reusable hard plastic case. I mean, you can buy the plastic case separate for about, I think, a little under $20. So, I mean, still, it's a nice bonus compared to this, beat up cardboard box. Anyways, the point is, I basically got a $300 cam versus a $30 cam. I was shopping for a good used cam for the Vortec donor build. I mean, used LT stock cam, which is better than a little better than the Vortec cam, or maybe I don't know, like a hot cam takeout, something like that. ZZ cam, something like that. All I was finding was way too big used race cams. I mean, I'm not talking solid. I'm just talking like 600 and some lift, which is way too much for a stock block. I mean, if I want to use stock rollers, I'd have to use expensive link style rollers, roller lifters, and I was looking for something budget for this Vortec. I mean, really budget. And I mean, this cam's probably too nice for that, but it cost me $30, so why not? So there it is. I got two decent hydraulic roller cams, and I'll go ahead and list the stats right here so you can compare them both. Now, as you can see, if you pause and check that out, they're almost identical camshafts. I mean, the only reason I found the second cam is because I was looking up, because cam manufacturers sometimes make a very similar cam and just slightly change it. And that's what's the case here. I bought the Howards, you know, after I saw the stats, and I was like, I like that cam. I want to try it out. And I was, you know, researching a little more after I bought it. You know, usually always the case. You buy something and you find an even better deal. So I was researching that. I came across the Elgin, and I used to do, you know, generic search, and I came across the used one. I'm like, ooh, you know, saw the deal, gotta grab it, got it. You know, well, I bought it, and it took, you know, about a month to get it, but it's here now. You know, long before I actually need it. So, but still, a little bit of drama. Well, even the Howard's cam was took a little week longer than they said, but you know, it's winter, so who cares? Anyways, so I got two decent price cams, I think. You know, good deal. You know, basically $300 for, you know, two cams. Normal price you'd pay for hydraulic roller cams is around $300. And I'm hoping they're going to work out good. I mean, you can go ahead and tell me what you think in the comments, what you think about these cams for my builds. You know, let me know. Now, of course, these are single pattern cams, and a dual pattern cam probably would get a little better horsepower, maybe even a little better low end, but I decided to go with more of the cool factor in these builds. Basically, these cams should sound very similar to my 77 cam, which is a flat tabby cam, but similar and slightly smaller stats. And I'll go ahead and play a clip of that right here. So that cam being similar to these cams, you know, I should be able to tune it because I tuned the other car, and that car, the 77, has the stock 1500 converter. Manifolds, not even that good of a gear. I mean, I think I can handle these because these are probably going to go, both the cars are going to have 3000 stall, headers, and, you know, one of them's going to have at least, you know, a better intake runner, you know, smaller, because the 77 had Sportsman 2s unported, so that was quite the challenging tune. These, I think, you know, even being a little bigger, shouldn't be too bad, you know, similar. Anyways, I'm rambling on. Like I said, let me know what you think about these cams. I mean, I think I got a good deal. I think they'll sound cool. I'm hoping they run good. You know, we'll see. You know, you never know until you actually do it. But thanks for watching. Peace out.